Imagine if life worked like an RPG. Every action, every choice you make adds experience points. Some people waste time, stuck at level 1 forever. Others, they grind, they level up, they become overpowered. Sung Jin-Woo didn't start as a hero. He started at the absolute bottom, weak, powerless, mocked by others. But here's the thing, he didn't stay there. He refused to accept his limits. He saw the system in front of him and made one decision. He would break through it. Every action gives XP, even the smallest ones. Jin-Woo didn't wake up one day as the strongest hunter. He earned it. He gritted his teeth and trained, every single day. Push-ups, running, strength training, blood, sweat, and pain. He embraced the grind. And in real life, it's no different. The only difference between you and the next level, the choice to act. Quests greater than motivation. The strong don't wait for inspiration. Jin-Woo didn't wait until he felt ready. He completed daily quests even when it sucked. That's how he surpassed everyone else. If you rely on motivation, you will lose. You win by showing up. Every single day. Apps like Habitica turn daily tasks into an RPG. Notion helps track goals. Forest keeps you locked in, eliminating distractions. Side quests. Build the main story. Jin-Woo didn't just train his body. He trained his mind. He studied skills, mastered strategies, and unlocked new abilities. He learned, and that's why he dominated. In real life, knowledge is the ultimate weapon. The more you learn about finance, business, coding, fitness, the more you level up. The difference between being average and being elite, information and execution. Reading books or tracking progress. Every failure is just XP. In a game, when you lose a fight, you don't quit. You grind, you level up, you come back stronger. That's how real life works too. Every mistake, every setback, every failure is EXP stacking in your favor if you keep moving forward. Life is an RPG. You gain XP with every action. You unlock new abilities with effort. And the only difference between staying weak or becoming overpowered is the choice to grind. So tell me, are you leveling up today?